We are at a parking garage in Omaha. And look, we have glass elevators. I parked in this garage before, actually. This is the garage I parked at the first time I went to Omaha. Or the first time I came through here. We all know what those CE indicators look like. Let's see the view. I actually just watched a guy get kicked out of here. It was like a homeless dude, but the guard said I was fine actually, because I was just in here. This is actually a pretty decent view from this garage of the elevators. Anyway, oh, there's where the old braille was. They didn't even put new ones on. How's it going? Anyway, that will be it. There's that one.